Hi everyone, how we doing today? All right, so based on request, some people are finding it hard to connect their um, laptop to their phone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that step by step. So before you start, right, make sure that your laptop and your phone is connected to one Wi-Fi network. So it could be another gadget or so, but they must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network, right? So my own, I'm using another device to connect, right? And I'm connecting to both my phone and then my PC. So now on your laptop, head over to settings, right? The settings of your laptop. Now make sure that your laptop is Windows 10 or 11. If it's Windows 7, I don't think there's anyone that uses Windows 7 right now, right? But make sure it's Windows 10 or 11, right? Else it won't work. So once you come to settings, right, make sure that you are logged into your Microsoft account. So you click on mobile devices, right? And then what you want to do is allow this PC, just toggle this on, allow this PC, yes, you may even cancel it. Let's turn on this, turn on phone link, right? Click on it, that's on, you see. Use your mobile device from your PC. Now what we'll do is, this will actually take you to sign in with your Microsoft account. So once you sign in, I've actually signed in, right? So what I'll just do is I'll choose the device I want to get started with, and then I'll choose Android. There's iPhone, there's Android. I'll click on Android. Once I click on Android, what I will now do is that I'll scan this QR code. Now scan the QR code to link your Android mobile device. So this code, now I have a scanner here, right? So what I'll just do is I'll click on my scanner, and then what I'll just do is to scan it, and you can see that I'm scanning. Look at it. So I'll scan it, and so once I scan it, this is where it's going to take me to. Are you seeing this? So now there's an app, right? If it doesn't take you here, it will take you to Google Play Store, where you will install this app. And this is the app here. The app is called Link to Windows. That's what it's called. It's called Link to Windows. I'm going to show you now. So it's called Link. Look at it. This is it. Link to Windows. Uninstall, open, right? So just search for Link to Windows, and then you install it. Once you install, it will automatically take you to that point to scan again. Now enter the code shown on your PC. You see, this is the code 2H. So I'm going to write that code 2H 3. So the code on your PC is what you are going to type. So once I type that, you see, I'll be connected, and automatically, look at it, check your mobile device. So now what I want to do, now it's showing me something. It's saying share optional diagnostic data. You don't need that. Just decline it, because they want to collect information. So what it will now do is it would prepare the device, and you see everything is connected right now. So what I will now do is click on continue. So I'll click on continue, and then it's welcome to phone link. You see, phone link is now linked to TechnoSpark 40 Pro Plus. You see, so I'll click on get started. Once I click on get started, all my messages will show. You see, I'm like in right now. So on my PC, I have access to my laptop. You see, I have access to my messages as well. If I click on photos, you see, I have access to every of my pictures, even my calls, right? If I want to make calls, I can actually make and receive calls from my PC. If I want to do that, you see, with this, you are good to go. Now if I want to send a file, just to show you that this thing is working, I will send a file. Now look at on my phone, I will click on send file. Now click on file. Once I click on file, I come to this file, come to documents. Let me just pick a document that's, just a document that we can just use for reference. So let me just pick, or let me just use an image. Let me just use an image screenshot. Okay, so let's use this for example. Once I use this, look at that, I've clicked on it, and you see automatically it just signaled me here that a picture has been received, or a screenshot has been received. Now what I'll now do is that I'll go to my device. Now come to look at it, I'll come to download because it's always going to be in download, and automatically to generate a folder for me. Once I click on phone link, you see I have the picture right here on my phone. So this is how to set up set up this kind of integration. You have your laptop and then you have your phone. Make sure that two of them are connected to one Wi-Fi, and make sure that they are using the same Microsoft account. You must sign into the same Microsoft account, and only then that it will work. I hope this helped you, and just let me know in the comments. Cheers for now.